Why is paint protection film so expensive? Let's talk about it. To better understand the price tag behind PPF, you must understand the application and process that goes into installing it. Paint protection film requires skilled labor from certified installers that cover every painted inch of your vehicle, ensuring its utmost protection. It's not just a matter of slapping it on a vehicle and calling it a day. Before the film even touches the vehicle, preparation is a crucial step. Every inch of the vehicle is carefully cleaned, ensuring all dust and debris are taken care of before we install the film. We want to make sure the adhesion to the film is very strong. Then the film is custom cut to fit the vehicle's contours perfectly. It's not a one-size-fits-all with PPF. Each piece of film is tailored specifically for that body panel, ensuring maximum coverage. It's an art form, almost like applying a second layer of skin to your vehicle. Every crease, corner, and edge is addressed, making sure no areas are vulnerable for potential damage, leading to a final inspection that guarantees its effectiveness and durability. We want to make sure this vehicle is protected and ready for the customer. This is why doing your own research is crucial. A bad installation can set you back thousands of dollars, and if there's no warranty, you'll be left on your own. Now, while the installation of paint protection film seems very straightforward, it requires an attention to detail and a level of expertise that really justifies the cost, and also gives you that peace of mind that your vehicle is protected. Once again, guys, it's Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below. Thank you.